Welcome to the Teeter-Totter effect, a masterclass on navigating dynamic equilibrium in engineering, science, and life. We will explore how balance is essential across these domains. We begin with the physical foundation, understanding levers, moments, and the pivot point. This mechanical concept underpins all forms of balance we will discuss. The teeter-totter is a Class 1 lever. Balance, or equilibrium, is achieved when the total clockwise torque equals the total counterclockwise torque. This is the fundamental law of the lever. Next, let's look at powering the grid. This is a high-stakes teeter-totter in the world of electricity. Maintaining the frequency balance is critical for electricians and engineers. Generation and load must be balanced to maintain a constant frequency, typically 60 Hz, preventing potential blackouts. Our third topic is industrial excellence, focusing on supply chains and just-in-time manufacturing. In logistics equilibrium, inventory levels and lead times must be balanced against market demand. Too much stock ties up capital, while too little leads to stockouts. Moving to the AI frontier, we address balancing bias and variance in intelligence models. The bias-variance trade-off is a teeter-totter of errors in machine learning. High bias is underfitting, high variance is overfitting. The goal is to find the Goldilocks zone where total error is minimized. Finally, we consider household harmony and applying the concept of balance to daily living. Domestic balance involves three key areas: balancing income against expenditure and finance, managing comfort versus cost and energy use, and prioritizing preventative maintenance over expensive repairs.